It's unfortunate, and maybe it's because of the tribalism in crypto. Maybe that's what
Yeah.
it is. There's been a lot of tribalism and everybody trying to carve out their own thing. But I think actually what I've found is that the thing that most of these developers who are in the open source space, what they want to see is that you're using their code, that you appreciate
Yeah.
what they've done, and that you
Yeah.
are willing to make meaningful improvements uh, to the code. But again, I think for the most part, it's really just about appreciation. A lot of these developers work in relative obscurity, and to appreciate
Yeah.
people like as people, I think is very, very important, even outside of the product, but just to be able to express that you understand the level of work that it required to get whatever this thing is to where it is. Most of the time, it's a passion project. And so, and I mean, this is genuine. This is not even like not like some kind of a social engineering trick or anything like that. But just to, if I'm using the software, if I think it's great, just to express that and to just show appreciation for the fact that, like, wow, you've put in a ton of work. I know how much work this is because I've done it, you know, and just from that, and to say, hey, you know, could you help out? You know, willing to compensate you as is, you know, necessary in this regard, and however you think it is. Can we give you a little bit of a platform? Can we give you some help? Can we give you some appreciation? And here's what we need. And not once has there been a situation where somebody has just said no, because most of the time, this is just not being heard by the actual developers, right? And so reaching out and trying to contact people personally. I mean, their GitHub account is right there in the commits, right? You can see who's making the commits. Reach out and just be like, man, I appreciate what you're doing. Believe me, they're not getting anything like that. I know. I maintain things that people fork and use and the whole nine. At most, they get back to me when there's a problem, right? Oh, there's this bug here or whatever. Can you fix this? There's no problem immediately hitting me up for that. But use it for 3 years and there's no problem and it works great and you're loving it and I haven't heard squat. So it's very nice to just be like, hey, dude, no problems. Your thing is great. Just wanted to let you know.
Yeah.
It's awesome. You'll get a lot that way.